मी काय विचारणार, तू काय विचारणार?
इतना ऊंचा क्यों है तू? हाँ, आपले कान डिफरेंट है. Basically meant that this steel stuff. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, my name is Rutuja and I hope you guys are doing fantastic and are safe at home. So, in today's video, I am going to finally get matching piercings done with my mom. I have been wanting to do this since a very long time and कुछ ना कुछ reason की वजह से वो postponed हो ही रहा था. And also this is the second attempt I'm filming this video because last time we went to get piercings done वो shop बंद हो चुका था. Apart from like getting piercing done and everything, I'm also going to have थोड़ा सा shopping kind of thing. So I'll just give you guys a mini haul in the end of the video so you can wait for that also. Now let's just jump into the video. So I'm waiting for my lift to come. Now I'm going to go at my mom's office and I'm going to pick her from there and then we'll go to the piercing wala guy.
ते लाईन मध्येच येणार.
बुक कर.
ही बघ ना, ही लाईन.
हां, आता इथे का त्या साईडला पण कर.
आता हा होल आहे, थोडासा वर आहे. हा थोडासा खाली आहे.
हा, आपले कान डिफरेंट असतात. Same. Okay guys, so we are back at my mom's office. I'm waiting for Saurabh to pick me up. So yeah, Mama, how was it? Did it hurt?
No, little bit.
Little bit, yeah. It's a pinch jaisa. So this is how our piercings look like. We got matching piercings. Okay, now that's about it. I'll catch you guys later.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
इतना ऊंचा क्यों है तू? बिल्डिंग जैसा. Wow.
Sure.
This is my mom's office. I'll give you a tour बाद में. So now we are going to go to West Side. उसके बाद Lenskart, उसके बाद Miniso. देखते हैं. So यार ये ना. Look at his glasses. It is so funny.
These protect eyes.
Glasses का वही काम होता है. Guys, so now I'm at West Side. I did not vlog in Miniso because हमें 2 Miniso जाना पड़ा because जो मुझे चाहिए था वो पहले वाले Miniso में नहीं था. And luckily I have 2 Minisos मेरे घर के बाजू में जो 10 मिनट की दूरी पर है. So I took what I wanted. I'll give you a mini haul at the end of the video. And I did not vlog because मैं बहुत घाई में थी. 4 बजे सब बंद हो जाता है. So I had to rush. And now we are finally here. 3:30 हो रहा है and West Side is open. So let's go. आई थिंक मैं वो ढापूंगी मेरे लिए. सो विल टेक दैट. उसके साथ वो भी लेना, ये वाला कॉर्ड सेट. एटलीस्ट ट्राई इट, दिस वन.
346 minutes later.
Thank you.
We finally got something from West Side for him. So this is what I gifted him.
So
ये उसका
pretty.
birthday gift है.
So
Okay.
good.
So now we are going to Lenskart and उसके बाद घर पे. I'm done for the day. सब कुछ हो गया. Lenskart is done, West Side is done, Miniso is done and also piercing is done. So now I'm going home and then I'll show you what all I got.
It's a wrap.
A few moments later.
So I'm home, I'm all freshened up. I ate Joey's as you saw already. So now I'm quickly going to show you what all I have bought. So the first stop we stopped was at Miniso and as I mentioned also कि मैं 2 Miniso गई because एक Miniso में जो मुझे चाहिए था वो नहीं था. So what I wanted was a candle because as you know in my videos मैं जो पीछे वो candle रखती हूँ that's from Miniso and I really love it because the price point of view is very nice and I really love the smell also. So yeah, ये 190 का candle है. So I got a different variant. So this is the vanilla one, and I really love the vanilla one because it smells very nice. So this is the first time I am trying it. I said I loved it because मैंने जब smell किया I really loved it. This is how it looks like. I just thought कि ये marble print में होगा somehow, I don't know why, but yeah, this is how it looks like. I am really happy with the smell, but I don't think ये मेरा aesthetic के साथ जाने वाला because I wanted a white candle, and I have to tell you guys that Miniso वाले are not keeping a tester candle out, so you don't know कि candle का body कैसा आएगा. So you just have to smell इधर से and अंदाज लगा के आपको लेना पड़ेगा. So what I did was I asked that guy जो मेरा बिल बना रहा था, I asked him कि you know why are there no testers, like how will the customer guess कि क्या लेना है उनको, because the moment I opened this I did not like the body, I wanted a white body. So he's like that customers come and they take away all the stuff, basically meant that they steal stuff ऐसे randomly उठा के लेके चले जाते हैं. So that's why we have stopped keeping it and everything. Because of such customers, like we suffer, जो genuine customers होते हैं we suffer. So मैंने बिलिंग काउंटर के भाई ओपन किया था and I asked him that can I just change it because I wanted the white body candle. So he's like no, and उन्होंने मुझे ऐसा पूरा स्टोरी टाइम बताया. So I was like छोड़ो अभी, I was running late, I was like chuck it. उसके बाद I got two more things. I got ये टिश्यू का बॉक्स. This is for 150 rupees and I love their क्वांटिटी एंड द क्वालिटी. मेरे को स्पेसिफिकली ये लगता है मेकअप रिमूविंग के लिए. उसके बाद बिलिंग के वहाँ आई सॉ वन मोर थिंग विच आई पिक्ड अप वेरी रैंडमली व्हाइल बिलिंग इट. सो दिस इज अ पैक ऑफ clips I would say. So I got this is how it looks like. So I got this for 90 rupees and I really love the color. और एक color palette में था but I really love this. So I got them because मैंने अभी तक खोला भी नहीं. Yeah. So I got them because मेरे को ना अभी मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स करने हैं and I really love watching makeup tutorials and उनमें ना सब जो ऐसे पहनते ना clips, I really find them very fancy. So I wanted to buy them since a very long time but मुझे अच्छे मिल नहीं रहे थे and you know quality नहीं समझते online. So I just like placed my bets on this and I'm hoping कि ये अच्छे quality के हो. Oh my god, it's not opening also. Give me a second.
2,000 years later.
Did I break this? I don't know. Okay, whatever. So this comes in a set of 4. Oh yeah. No, this comes in a set of 8. Oh my god. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I just wear one and see. Cool. It looks pretty and I think the quality is also very nice. Like for 90 rupees and for the color and everything, I can make this work very easily. So yeah, for 90 rupees you're getting a set of 8 clips, so it gets a thumbs up from me. उसके बाद we went to Westside. So Westside में had to take stuff for Saurabh only because उसका birthday gift था वो. So I got him a t-shirt, I got him a shirt and I got him a sweatshirt. I'll ask him to send pictures so that I can insert it. If not, you will see him wearing it. And yeah, I got a clip. अभी मैंने बाहर रखा है वो. So I'll just insert how it looks like. I got this for 99 rupees and you guys know that I love Westside के clips and I feel the quality is also very nice. So this is the 4th pair of clips that I have picked from Westside because 99 के लिए you're getting such amazing good quality clips. So I just ended up picking it and as you can see it looks very very nice. तो Westside से हम लोग ने उतना ही लिया, बाकी कुछ ज़्यादा लिया नहीं. उसके बाद we went to Lenskart and Lenskart में हम लोग ने ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर देके रखा था. So वो बस ऑर्डर कलेक्ट करने जाना था. So I got this blue rays का specs for my brother and myself because मेरा जो पहले वाला था लास्ट ईयर जो लिया था वो टूट गया है. That is not repairable. So मैंने वापस ले लिया एक and I got this for such an amazing deal. So I got both of them for 1343. So yeah, I got both of them offer में, that was buy one get one free offer. So this is how they look like. ये नंबर वाले बिल्कुल नहीं है, ये only blue rays के लिए because I edit a lot and my brother is in 10th standard so उनका continuously online classes होता है. So this is just to avoid getting specs and this is just for you know keeping our eyes nice. I would say this like precautionary measures है ये. So yeah, this is how they look like. I don't know अभी ये मेरा कौन सा है, मैं क्षितिज को कौन सा देने वाली हूँ, but you get my point right. This is the one that I had last time also, so I just picked up and transparent में सिर्फ 2 ही ऑप्शन थे, ज़्यादा ऑप्शन नहीं थे. So I ended up picking both of them जितने भी ऑप्शन थे. And also talking about my PSA, I got this done for 800. So मेरा एक pair was for 800, mom का एक pair was for 800. So ये gold plated है, that's why it's that costly. नहीं तो you can get it for cheaper rates. So yeah guys, that pretty much sums up my vlog and that pretty much sums up today's mini haul as well. I enjoyed filming today's vlog because it was such a productive day for me. So I really enjoyed it and I really love how the vlog has turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video because मेरे को बहुत सारे comments आते हैं कि you know continue doing vlogs and everything. So I just ended up doing one for you guys. And in future also you'll be seeing a lot of vlogs from my side. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's about today's video. You know the drill. What you have to do if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video on YouTube. And guys, please make sure you hit the like button because engagement नहीं हो रहा है YouTube में. I don't know why, थोड़ा सा algorithm का problem चल रहा है. So please bell button को भी turn on कर देना because notifications का भी issue हो रहा है. So मेरे viewers को notifications थोड़े से कम जा रहा है. I don't know why. So make sure you're engaging with my content so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Okay. Now that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, live and let live. Take care. Bye bye.